In today's video, we're starting with data preprocessing techniques. Why clean your data? Data in its raw form is often messy. It may contain missing values, duplicates, and errors that can negatively impact model performance. What is feature engineering? It's the process of transforming raw data into meaningful inputs for a model. This process helps in selecting relevant and impactful features to boost model performance. Why is normalization scaling needed? When working with numerical data, values can vary significantly. Some may be in the 0-100 range, while others are in millions. This imbalance can affect the efficiency of machine learning models. Data analytics and visualization in AI includes the following: descriptive analytics, summarize past data trends; predictive analytics, forecasts future events; data visualization, presents insights graphically. Why is it important? Helps in decision making, simplifies complex data, improves AI model monitoring. Big data and AI integration includes the following: handling large datasets, using distributed computing, real-time data analysis, instant AI-driven insights, cloud computing for AI, remote storage processing power, scalability IoT integration, adapting to data growth. Why is it important? Enables faster, efficient AI processing, supports real-time decision-making, provides scalable infrastructure for AI growth. Data privacy and security in AI have the following features: challenges in data privacy, methods to secure personal data, ethical concerns regulations, why it matters, protects sensitive user information, builds trust in AI systems, prevents misuse, legal risks. Ethical and social implications of data in AI, addressing bias in AI. AI must be trained on diverse, balanced datasets. Regular testing ensures fair outcomes. Example: loan eligibility AI should focus on credit history, not race, gender. Transparency in AI. Users must understand how AI makes decisions. Explainable models reports build trust. Example: AI should clarify why a loan was denied. AI's impact on society. Responsible data use, respect privacy, follow ethical guidelines. Positive impact: AI improves healthcare, fair financial decisions. Negative impact: data misuse can lead to loss of trust, ethical concerns. Why it matters: promotes fairness, accountability, builds trust in AI driven decisions, ensures AI benefits society responsibly.